I wanted to ask you that what do you do with the waste? Do you recycle it? And if it is not able to recycle, then what do you do with that?
I must honestly answer you. There are different kinds of waste I handle. Okay, one is the beach
Yes.
waste. Now, if you come for a beach cleanup, okay, so we have two types of waste. One is which can be recycled, but they are filled with sand. So when you come, we'll put you on a team where we wash the plastic at the beach itself. So that can be recycled. Okay. There are some plastic which are so dirty it is impossible. So we send it to the BMC segregation center, which is at Bhandu. At Nahur, they have a plant where we send it to them. So that is one aspect. The mangrove waste also has a similar problem. What can be washed? Then what we collect from the homes, where we train up people for circular economy, which I call pre-litter. That means before it is thrown into the environment, all that is recycled because it's clean plastic. So there are three different types of waste, handled three different way. But eventually, when you'll ask me what happens after you recycle, what happens to it. So we are now working on that, what you call waste to value chain. That's the last part of the chain. Just now, we are developing prototype. We are trying to make paver blocks of it. Sheets which are put on the slums. Then we are planning to make plastic bag,
Yes.
good carry bags as well of those plastics. So different things we are attempting. Hopefully, in 6 months, you will see that all these plastic turned into product which have value. Waste is actually wealth, and we have to convert it into wealth. By saying waste to wealth, it doesn't end, but practically implementing is where we must do.
Sir, as you say, we have to segregate our plastic. Firstly, we used to segregate our plastic, but the BMC officers under the cleanup, they put the both plastic together only. So,
No,
there is
this is the problem faced by a lot of Mumbaikars as they complain that the BMC doesn't get a dry waste truck separately, they mix it. There's one option that you must go to the ward office and tell them up. Okay, and which ward are you from? Where do you stay in Mumbai?
sir lower G South wow.
G South. G South, we must speak to the ward officer and inform him if that is the case. But you have another way, Shubham, to deal with it. What you could do is whatever plastic you collect, our kabadi wala are there, no? They buy from you.
Yes.
Okay, so give it to them instead of giving to the your housing society guy. So they take everything by weight. So what you could do is just collect for 1 or 2 days the plastic and give it to them. So they
Okay,
will buy
sir.
it from you. So they will not be mixed, and they send it to the recycling center. Hopefully, in the near future, if our work takes us to J South throughout Mumbai, you can give it to us. Probably we'll make it into a paper block for you. Thank you,
Thank you,
Shubham.
sir.
Thank you. Hi, good
So,
afternoon.
yeah, sir. I was having a question that about last 2 to 3 years that railway have started a project like depositing of plastic bottle in a machine, and in something they have written something, they returns it
Yes,
in some form.
yes.
So nowadays I have not seen any such kind of projects. So is there any method to start, or is there any presence of like starting such projects in our
Yes.
area or something like that?
First of all, I must explain to you what they accept. Once you know what they accept, then you'll understand the machine.
Yes, sir. Okay.
That is called reverse vending machines. Okay.
Yeah, I read
What they accept is PET bottles. Okay.
Yes.
If you look at a PET bottle, 1 liter PET bottle is made of polyethylene. Okay, that is a recyclable material.
Yes, sir.
Except for the label on it has a problem. Then the cap has a problem because cap is colored. This plastic is uncolored. The uncolored plastic can be all recycled together. Colored plastic have a issue. Okay, so the bottle can be recycled. The caps have a problem. The labels have a problem. All these are picked up by rag pickers. So if you come for a beach cleanup with me, you'll never find PET bottles. Very few. Between 1 o'clock in the night and 5 o'clock, all rag pickers pick it up because it has value. One bottle, 200 bottles, they may get around 16, 17 rupees for it. So it's easily recyclable. Reverse mending machine were taking over the job of the rag picker. Okay, the rag pickers who are running, so instead of rag pickers, the reverse vending machine came, they said, we'll take it up. It's a good concept. It is one of the methods, but rag picker are already doing it. So whether we should rely on reverse vending, even if it's not there, it doesn't stop you from recycling. Okay. If you give it to a kabadi wala, he will take it for money. All plastic bottles are sold for money. PET bottles. So you'll have no problem with that, Pratik. So you don't have to wait for a system. You just give it to your own kabadi wala. Every area in Mumbai in India has kabadi wala. They give phone numbers. They come to collect papers. You must have seen them. So with papers, they collect plastic as well. So you can give it to them. I don't know about good old days. When I was younger, my mother used to do that. We used to trade plastic for garlic and sugar per kg. So you give 1 kg plastic, they'll give you 1 kg garlic. You give 1 kg plastic, they'll give you 1 kg sugar. Good old days, it was a very simple barter system, and India had a shortfall of raw material of plastics. So they wanted to recycle everything.
Nowadays, due to COVID, that kabadi wala have not arrived in our area also. So is there any organization which conducts such or any kinds of...
You collect a lot. I'll send a tempo to collect it from your thing. In your society, collect it. We'll send a tempo to you.
Okay, sir.
We have that much for it. Collect all the PET bottles and call us.
Okay, sir.
We'll do that for you.
Hello.
Yeah, hi.
Hi, sir. This is Vignesh.
Hi, Vignesh. Good afternoon.
Sir, I have a question. What should we do to increase awareness about environment pollution?
Either there are different methods, Vignesh.
Yes.
Either you can talk about it or you can do.
Yes, right.
Or do and talk both.
Yeah.
So I prefer personally what Mahatma Gandhi did, what Baba Sahib Ambedkar did, and what Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel did. Do and talk. So first do and then talk. That's the most effective communication. So if you go to my social media handle on Instagram, Twitter, first I do and then I talk. That's a good method. That's a good method.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. So I always tell, there used to be a Norwegian Deputy Consul General here, Mr. Thor here. I must give his example. So every cleanup he used to wear a T-shirt. Okay, the T-shirt said, "Just do it."
Yes.
So I thought he was selling the Nike brand. Huh? Nike has that logo, "Just do it." So one day I politely asked him, "Why do you wear this T-shirt?" So he was a very slow talker, and he very politely told me. He said, "This is what environmental problem is, and the solution is go just do it. Just wear your gloves, clean it, just reduce the plastic." So just do it and do and talk about it. Once you have done, because see, this world is full of talk now. Everybody says, "I'm an environmentalist. I feel for the environment. I am concerned. The government must be concerned. The government must do this thing. Indian government must do. Maharashtra government do." But if you ask them personally, what steps have you taken? Of course, those are very important questions. They must be asked. I am not even suggesting remotely, please don't ask the government. In democracy, you must ask people up. You voted, you have paid your taxes to them, you must ask them. But at the same time, you must fulfill your duty as well. What are you doing as a person to save this?
I'm in TY BCom right now.
So when you're in TY BCom, what steps you are taking, Vignesh? You must evaluate yourself. And
I personally don't throw any garbage. I'm traveling, I have wrapper also. If there is no nearby dustbin or something, I keep it with myself and I go home and throw it in dustbin only.
But what do you munch on, Vignesh? What do you like to munch on? You like chips, or what do you munch on? What are the wrappers? What are the food stuff?
I don't mostly prefer those unhealthy foods and all.
You are into gymming? You like?
Yes.
So what are what kind of snacks you eat generally?
No, I mostly like home food only.
That's a big thumbs up. All people who have green thumbs means who feel for the planet, who eat home food actually. So anybody who's listening who's eating home food, you have done a good bit of work for the planet actually. We underestimate our home food. Home food is something which actually saves the planet from lots of trouble.
And it's healthy for us also.
Healthy for you, healthy for planet, and wastage is reduced. Vignesh, what is the second biggest reason for global warming? Wasting of food. And at restaurants, you see that. See, at restaurants, when they come, and I get very worried eating outside. So they'll give you a lot of onions, they'll give you lime, they'll give you pickle. And once you have touched it, they're bound to throw it. It's impossible to retrieve back. So, that much resources are wasted, and it's a big reason for global warming. So people are listening to me. When you go outside, watch out for these small accompaniments which come. Remember, the lime, the onion, and whatever. And if you have carried your tiffin, fill it in, because you've paid for it. Fill it in your tiffin and take home. Instead, they'll throw it in the garbage.
Yes, sir. Instead of throwing in garbage,
Yeah.
it's better that you donate some poor people.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Like government has one started thing, like instead of throwing that food, there is some fridge or kept or something. So you can go and keep in the fridge so that poor people can have those food.
विघ्नेश, that's what I'm saying. तेच मी म्हणतो का तुम्ही तुमचे टिफिन कॅरी करा आणि त्याच्यामध्ये टाका. Take back home. You can keep in the fridge or you can use it at home.
Yes, yes.
Thank
like
you,
I have another question, sir.
Yeah, yes.
The initiative you are taking, is that same initiative is took by government?
See, we are
Like
there's a English word called collaboration. Okay,
Yes,
the problem is so big. We alone can't do it. Government alone can't do it. We people alone can't do it. Companies can't do it. We'll all have to collaborate. You know,
Yeah,
so, and collaboration requires everybody works together. Instead of attacking people up, abusing people up, you know, on social media you must be seeing people getting trolled.
Yes, yes.
You know, and now this drug case of Aryan Khan, look at the comments which goes on troll.
Yes.
Why drug, why NCB, why this political party, why Aryan Khan, why Shah Rukh Khan. We have views on everything, but what we lack now as a nation, as a society, is what we do. Like if you take, for example, if you want to work in an anti-drug forum, what have you done to stop? See, in every locality, take for example my Warsaw, where we work in slums on plastic waste, we see so many people doing drugs. Okay, now have I done something or not with them? Even one person, have you taken into rehab? Have you had conversation? And without doing all this, we are all over the place talking is good, but if you do and talk, that's far more better.
Yeah, there need to be conversation.
Then we as society must learn to do, and after doing, please converse. We don't do and we only talk. Every night when you put on the television, then you hear the nation wants to know, and that's the reason.
Yeah.
Thank you, Vignesh.
Okay. Thank you so much.